Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I just want to share with you some 5 cool Flutter library to make your project more beautiful. As you can see, 5 Flutter library to make your project more beautiful. This is one, font awesome, carousel slider, Google font, shaman. So these are them, you can see them. Avatar. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 photo library that you can use to make your app look beautiful, your app look good. So you can try them. See this good slider, you can try them for yourself. You can click it out from here and then you go there. This is a place where you can try them for yourself. Support platform, installation, how to use. So this is it. All of them you can try them for yourself. It's very easy. Google font, very easy. So these are all the Google font. You can try them out for yourself. So yeah, you just click here. You can follow shaman. So you can try them for yourself. So this is it. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share the video. Until then, see you guys.